Haya.
To all chairpersons of LC5 and all honorable councillors and the speaker of the district and the city and the mayor, all of you, you are hereby informed that before 30th of August, all districts must have service commission in place to ensure we fill the gaps. We have close to 800 jobs already to fill, and also we have so many people in acting capacity in most of the district. Some people acting up to 9, 11 years, 12 years. This is unacceptable. So we should fill those service commission positions and committees before 30th of August. Failure, we shall use the nearby service commission, the next district next to yours, to do the job for you, so that government doesn't lose out on service delivery. We are getting issues of poor performance in districts because of key positions the people are missing. People who are supposed to run those key positions are not in place, and you're having people who have proven to be incompetent as acting over a long period of time. That puts our service delivery down. So this is an appeal and the directive at the same time. Service commission must be filled by 30th of August. Thank you very much for the service you are rendering to Uganda. I thank you, chairperson, wherever you are. I respect you and I love you, but let's do the right thing. You will be my friend. Thank you. Okay, to all chairpersons LC5 countrywide, and to all chief administrative officers, and all district speakers, you are hereby directed to name all roads in your municipalities, in your district town councils, and in your cities, all the 10 cities and the 31 municipalities. Roads should be named, all roads should be named to enable security to carry out operations. You are getting challenges in locating where a scene of crime or emergencies are because the roads are not named. So by copy of the letter will be sent on your group, on the chairperson LC5 group and the COWS group, to ensure that we have these roads named, all the roads named. You can name them after your great performers in the district, after the NRM heroes, the resistance fighters, the independence heroes, and all those people who have contributed, the church leaders, the cultural leaders, even amongst you yourself, you can name your own roads. But do it in accordance with the law. Name these roads and submit your list by 30th of August. List should be submitted from all districts, especially all major town councils should be named. So share the list before the 29th of this month of August with our permanent secretary, Mr. Kumumanya. Then we shall forward them to security, to the police and the CDF. This has been made in request of the CDF to support police operations and emergency rescue in your different areas. Thank you. Then another video.